You are going to love the 2014 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, compass, fog lights, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.